Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Valorant Error Code 43. There is an error connecting to the platform, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in services. Best match should come back with services listed directly above app. So go ahead and left click on that. You want to locate the VGC service, so you want to have to scroll down here. I don't have it on my computer because I don't have this game on here, but again it would say VLC, and that's all it would say. It'd just be 3 letters. So it just would say VGC, that's it, VGC. And you would right click on it and then select properties. So again, you look for the VGC folder, and you would go ahead and select startup type automatic, and then if server status was stopped, you'd select start disk, and then you would select apply and OK to save that. And once you're done with that, you would restart your computer, and then your game should work once again. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.